Hello friends, welcome to the one shot revision series by Learnzilla. In today's session we will be learning all the important MCQs from the reproductive system chapter. Let's get started. Which one of the following is the route that a sperm follows when it leaves the testis of a mammal? We know that testis is the site of production of sperms. Once it is produced, it gets matured at the epididymis, and then through the sperm duct, also called as vas deferens, it reaches the urethra. So this is the right path. If the vas deferens of a man are surgically disconnected or removed, what will happen? The semen will be produced, but it will be without sperms. What will happen if the temperature of the scrotal sacs temporarily goes to about 2 degrees Celsius lower than normal temperature? We know that the scrotal sacs are located just below the body. This is to maintain 2 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature for the production of sperms. But if the temperature goes further also, the scrotal sac will contract and then come close to the body, so that its optimum temperature can be maintained without any disturbance to the sperm formation. Fertilization means the fusion of the sperm and ovum. Sperm the male gamete and ovum the female gametes. In females, after how much time after fertilization does the fertilized egg get implanted in the uterine wall? About 7 days. After 7 days of fertilization, the blastocyst gets implanted in the uterine wall. The site of maturation of human sperms is the epididymis. Sperms are produced in testis, matures in epididymis. The onset of menstruation in the female is termed as menarche. The stoppage of menstruation in the permanent, it is a permanent stoppage of menstruation in females, is termed as menopause. Ovulation in mammals is a process in which the egg is released from the Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle ruptures and releases the egg, that is called as ovulation. Sterilization in the female involves cutting and tying the oviduct, also called as fallopian tube. Oviduct is also called as fallopian tube. It is here where the fertilization takes place, right? So this part, if it is cut and tied, then fertilization will be stopped. So this is called as tubectomy. Corpus luteum in mammals is present in ovaries and it produces progesterone hormone. When pregnancy does not occur, the life of the corpus luteum is about 14 days. Remember, corpus luteum is taking care of progesterone secretion in the ovaries. So if the egg is fertilized and then gets implanted in the uterine wall, that is called as pregnancy. If this happens, there are two fates for the egg, right? One is if it gets fertilized, otherwise if it doesn't get fertilized, what happens? So if pregnancy does not occur, the corpus luteum will start degenerating. Okay, that is after 14 days. The middle piece of the sperm provides energy where the mitochondria is. The normal gestation period in humans is 280 days. In human beings, the fertilization takes place or occurs in the fallopian tubes, also called as oviduct. The embryo in humans gets nutrition from the mother with the help of a special tissue called placenta. In human males, the testes lie in the scrotum because it helps in the formation of sperms. The fixing of the blastocyst to the wall of the uterus or endometrium is called as implantation. Please check our playlist for terminology in this reproductive system chapter. All these terms are covered there. These are all important terms for your class 10 ICSE biology exam. Semen is the mixture of sperms and secretions from seminal vesicles, prostate gland, Cowper's gland. So all these three together produces a nourishing fluid called semen, in which the sperms are there. Okay, so answer is all of these. Leydig cells produce testosterone in males. With this, we have learnt all the 20 important MCQs from reproductive system chapter. All the very best for your class 10 ICSE biology exams. Please do check the playlist for MCQs from other chapters, and also terminology and picture based questions have been uploaded. This is an exclusive one-shot revision series for class 10 ICSE biology students. Please check our website learnzilla.in. You can also take online tests of MCQs over there. All the best, children.